What's up, data people? My name is Matthew Heffron, and today we're going to explore Metabase and look at the UI. So let's just jump right into it. So the first thing you'll see, you'll have this header, and they have a nice search, so you can search for tables, you can search for your different visualizations. Right here, you can add data. So if you click Add Data, you can see there are different database types that you can connect to. Let's go ahead and go back. And then you have these Xrays, and these are pretty cool. Let me just go all the way down. I'll move my face out of the way. So we have this sample database, and if you click the sample database, you can see we have orders, reviews, people, and products. And when you hover, you have this lightning bolt, and this is Xrays. So if we go back to this main page, you can see here's the Xrays that were created for our data. And Xrays, I like to think, are just exploring your data. It slices and dices it in different ways and gives you some insights. So for instance, if we click on this people table, you can see some information about it. You can see how many people are in the table, how many people per month, where they're coming from. And so this is kind of cool. It gives you like this quick insights that if you like them, you can just go ahead and save this. And this is a great starting point. You can add to this, you can remove from this. Let's go back. And the next thing I wanted to talk about is this new. So if I click on new, you can either create a question, and the question is like if you think of in Tableau, you have sheets and then you can build dashboards. These are called questions, so you can create your questions and then build a dashboard off of that. So then you have this SQL query, dashboard, or collection that you can create. So let's go ahead and just look at this question. So they call this the notebook editor, and I think this is a really cool feature, especially for people that don't know SQL. So you can come in here, and let's say we want to look at the orders table. And right here, I say I'm connected to the orders table, but what's in my orders table? You can go ahead and hit this preview button, and you can see what's in there. You can go ahead and close that. You can create custom columns. We'll go ahead and close that. Close the custom column. You can create joins. So here, if I wanted to join to the people's table, it's just like this visual join. You can click here to change the join types. So it's really simple. And then you can also hit play here to preview what the join looks like. Go ahead and close that. You can add filters to your data set. You can summarize the data. So basically, if we wanted to see the count of rows, and we can pick a column. Let's do it by created at, and you have this by month. If you click here, you can change how you're looking at that, but month is good. So we'll create that and get my face out of the way. And then once you have this built, if you wanted the custom SQL, you could go over here and get the custom SQL from that. And then what we could do is we could save this if this is something we wanted for our users, or we can just keep going with our question and we can visualize it. So here we have a nice little line chart, and you can change by month. Here we can look at it by year, whatever you want, by quarter, by month. And I'm not going to get into it yet. In the next lesson, we'll get into building some more visualizations, but just wanted to show that off. So let's go ahead and go back to Metabase, the home page, and we'll scroll down, and then let's also look at the sample data set. If you go in this way, you have orders. We already looked at the Xrays, but they also have learn more about this table, so you can go ahead and click that. You can see what fields are in the table. Basically, different questions that were asked about the table will show up here, and then again, this is just showing you those Xrays. So I hope you found this helpful, just kind of exploring the Metabase UI real quick. And if you like it, please subscribe. I'll keep creating these videos, and I'll see you in the next one.